This is so wild. This is so incredibly wild. Hey guys! Good morning, my friends! Good morning! How are you? Hey guys! This is so incredible! Hey guys! Hey! Where are you going? Come back!
I want to come
Oh, you know, just another morning in Milford Sound. That's incredible. Hey, buddy. That's so cool. They're right behind us. Hey, friends. Hey, friends. Come here. Come play with us. That's incredible. That's so incredible.
Johnny's gonna be mad.
I know. They're totally following us. I love it. Oh, hey.
There's so many. Oh, hey guys.
You guys, I'm pretty sure we have the best job in the world.
Yeah, we do.
Here they come. Hey!
He bumped us.
Did he? It's so beautiful how you can see them directly underneath us. Hey, my friend. Yeah. Hey, buds! Hey, my friends! Hello! Hello! Hi there! Hey! Good morning! Good morning! How are you? It's so good to see you guys! Good morning! Good morning! Hello, my friend! There's so many. How many do you think are in this pod?
I don't know, but this is awesome.
Brought you friends.
Oh, they're beautiful. They're playing with us.
We got dolphins.
Hold them over for you.
Hello, hello. Hi, my friends.
Oh no.
That's so cool. What a beautiful day. Only in Milford Sound at the Discovery Center. Hey. Oh, come back, guys. Where are you going? Oh, here's one right here. Hey, hey. That was pretty awesome. Yeah. That was a good little break.
So they'll be coming back though.
Yeah.
Then he just got here. Yeah, we heard the adventurer and